Howdy! Today, we are going to prepare a feast for our BBQ. To start, let's assemble a handmade sliced barbecue sandwich. I created all the pieces from scratch using air-dried clay that I painted with acrylic paints. We are using tinted UV resin to create barbecue sauce and to hold the sandwich together. We'll use the leftover slices of barbecue to create a barbecue plate. Let's assemble a refreshing dessert using mix-matched pieces from various mini-verse sets. I get them on clearance because they are from previous series. I use some mini Jell-O cups to mix mica powder and UV resin to create a fruit syrup. Then, we added fruit pieces in clear resin layers. I got this teeny tiny set from Five Below. We will use a few of the pieces right now and keep the grill for when we build the backyard room box. The pieces are very cost-effective, but not very detailed. We'll use some inking brushes to add some color and make them appetizing. Now let's assemble the piece de resistance. This is a mini-verse set that my husband was lucky enough to get for me. It is one of the few in this series that is not a dessert. I was very nervous putting this together because it is my favorite of the series. I did some research on how barbecued lamb chops look and decided to add more vegetables to the plate, as well as grill marks and charring. Now let's assemble a nice grilled steak plate using clear UV resin to hold everything in place. It also adds depth to the colors. And for refreshments, ice-cold sodas. I found the ice cubes and the small soda bottles on Etsy. We made the picnic table out of 2 wood pieces we bought at the dollar store. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.